Traveling for trainings. I would say probably more than anybody else I know throughout my career, I have traveled for trainings, meeting my heroes, the people that I have deeply immersed learning with and going to the source. So here I am down in an undisclosed location that rhymes with Vegas. What's so funny about this place is I've probably been here more than a dozen times. For some reason, yeah, all the trainings, the conferences, the trade shows, like they happen here a lot for me. So, over more than a decade, this is quite a spread out time. It's something I've been doing, a long time is trainings. So, tapping into the wisdom of people who have been where I want to go, who are further down the path, reading their books, watching their videos, just immersing myself in that content as much as possible and showing up, right? When they do a live event, going to the source, meeting them, asking the questions, getting in the room with other inspired individuals who are on the same path. And probably, at least 50% of it, in this case, very, very in particular, the decision to go, decided with Vivian Safaris, we're down here together to do this kind of 2-day, very quick training, intensive, in and we're out. Just that decision, right? That direction. It's like, all right, that has put us on this path where we've already won. We've answered a lot of questions. The momentum is already there. We're seeing improvements. Ideas are flowing. Things are happening. And yeah, it was kind of like when I went to nutrition school all those years ago, deciding on a career path. Yeah, going to school for that time that I did and learning what I did, yeah, it absolutely brought benefit. But more than half the benefit, I would say in that case, probably 90% came in choosing that as a direction. It solidified a direction. And then everything began to line up. I had, okay, it was almost just kind of the formality of doing it, picking it, kind of sealed the deal. So yeah, we've been meeting every week, a couple times a week, just kind of getting prepped for this. There was a lot of kind of pre-work, homework to do. And so now that we're here, it's for sure like game on, activate, get as much as we can. And also just kind of like take it in, relax, enjoy. We've done so much kind of pre-work. And of course, the learning and the implementation, the integration is just going to continue forever on afterwards. So yeah, here I am getting a little bit of morning sun before we're in a conference room all day. I believe we're going from like 9 to 6. We're going to show up early. We're going to meet some people. We're going to hang out. And we'll see what the night brings. But I guarantee you, it won't be your usual Vegas typical stay. This is one of those things where, yeah, even me, kind of the natural forest-loving hippie type folk, sometimes you got to travel to the belly of the beast just to, get what you need and get things done. And yeah, we're making the most of it. So we've done our whole food stop. We got all kinds of goods to eat for the next 2 days. And it's just focus. So, what in your life, right? Are you a person that goes after, knowledge, meeting your heroes, and yeah, tapping in, doing whatever it takes to go to that next level? Traveling for training, something that I've always done. It's been a number of years since the last one because COVID, that kind of a thing. But also, there's a time to kind of integrate and to kind of execute and even teach. So I feel really good about kind of being back on track now and diving in. So you'll get some updates from us over the next couple days, and yeah, see you on the other side.